to fix Snapchat quick add privacy not working. So to fix Snapchat quick add privacy not working, you can start by updating the app. Just go to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store, find the Snapchat app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is verify See Me in quick add settings. If your profile isn't showing up for others, the setting might have been toggled off. Just open your Snapchat app, then tap your profile icon or Bitmoji in the top left corner, then tap the gear icon in the top right. Now scroll down to privacy controls section, then tap See Me in Find Friends. Now make sure that the Show Me in Find Friends is turned on. Now the next what you can do is clear the Snapchat cache, because the corrupted cache can prevent privacy settings from updating properly. Just go back to your settings. Now under the same privacy controls section, tap Clear Data, then tap Clear Cache, and then tap Clear one more time to confirm it. Now Snapchat will ask you to restart the app. Simply tap OK to close it, and then restart the Snapchat app. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.